this guide, you learn how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account that you have used for the purchasing subscription. Once you are signed in, use the search bar to search for NFL Sunday Ticket or navigate to the NFL section for your subscriptions and membership area. On game days, you will see live game schedules, highlights, and featured matchups available through your subscription. Simply select the game you want to watch and start streaming instantly. If you are using YouTube TV, you can also access NFL Sunday Ticket from the live guide, making it easy to switch between games and follow multiple matchups. Many supported devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, game consoles, smartphones, and tablets, allow you to watch NFL Sunday Tickets, so you can enjoy the action wherever you are. Before kickoff, make sure your subscription is active and your app is updated to the latest version to ensure the best viewing experience. That's it. Now you know how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.